There.
Back at the main hall, there's the family room again, and then there's a hallway, which takes us to the other half of the house. And then here's the bathroom off of the family room.
Air freshener for the stinky butts.
That picture Dad and I made together. And we bought the tiles from Gowalla, from a man that makes them. And then I made the toilet roll holder, which has got the
Pelican
on it. That's because we have a pedestal sink and you can't store toilet paper.
Yeah. Our
Here's my family wall, full of everybody in the family. Here's Vera and her family from years back. See, I don't know if I have one of George and his family.
There we are in the.
Oh Lordy, I'm in my bathing suit to cover up. This is the hallway to my bedroom.